Yeah, of course. My name's Tim Stoddard. I'm General Manager of Europe, Middle East and Africa for Zebra Technologies. Well, we're really here to solve customers' problems when it comes to automating or driving efficiency in the operational workflow, minimizing errors, reducing shrink, and enhancing the customer journey. And the customer journey can mean the journey of our customers or the journey of their customers. Well, I think for me, the big wins is with the employee. We keep hearing about the challenge around labor. So labor retention, labor acquisition, and where we're really trying to optimize workflows is to enhance the labor journey, ensuring that the colleague or employee can achieve the highest value tasks and drive higher worker satisfaction and higher payback to the customer. Sure, I think there are two key themes for me. First is contextual, and the second one is augmentation. So if I think about contextual, Zebra has been in this industry for 55 years. We understand our customers' workflows, and therefore we can provide context around the AI use cases. If we think augmentation as well, a lot of what we're trying to do is drive a higher value outcome for the employee or the colleagues of our customers, and we're using AI to augment that journey. Sure, I think there's a couple of aspects to it. One is coverage, geographical coverage. I think we'll continue to expand in that area, but we're also going to invest in a vertical strategy. So aviation, government, healthcare are all areas where we see significant expansion, and we're continuing to invest in those verticals with new products and new solutions. And what we need is an ecosystem that supports that, putting technology in the hands of the workers so they have the right information at the right time to make the very best decision possible. Yeah, so I'm really excited. It's actually been our fastest growing territory for a couple of years now. There are a number of reasons behind that. Some of that is geographical. We continue to see great growth in expansion areas like Saudi. But for me, it's the vertical aspect which is really exciting. I mentioned aviation, I mentioned healthcare, I mentioned government. We're really seeing some great growth. And this event has really led us to address some of our customers' problems and help solve them with some of the solutions that we're bringing to market.